Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today we're going to be working a little bit more with this amazing single malt. This is Yardhead, you guys, by Crabbie's. Crabbie's used to have like this amazing ginger beer. And I was actually proud to promote it. The restaurant that I used to manage in Bakersfield happens to be now they're coming up with this single malt scotch, which is actually distilled in the Highlands. One of the most remarkable things about this scotch in particular, this is not your normal sipping scotch. This is actually a really versatile cocktail, single malt, and it happens to be amazing with sours. So today, we're not gonna make an exception. This is gonna be the Yardhead and the Elderflower Sour. Please stay here with me, let me show you how it's done. All right, so the Yardhead and Elderflower Sour. Let's start chilling up our nice coupe glasses, you guys, with a little bit of a crushed ice. And let's go for 1.5 ounces of Yardhead. You're gonna be making 2 cocktails. So that's gonna be 3 in total. 1 ounce of lemon juice, always fresh. 2 ounces in total. Simple syrup, you want to make sure your syrups and your sugars right here, because the Elderflower Liquor is actually, besides the fact that it's very floral and it has amazing notes of melon, this one it tends to be a little sweet. So I will going to go for only 1/2 ounce per cocktail. So we're going to go for 1 full ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to go for 3/4 ounce per cocktail of Elderflower Liquor or Germain. Let's crack an egg. And you don't have to be afraid, you guys. I've been going over and over on this topic. As long as your eggs are cold all the time, you should not have any problem. Trust me, it's worth it. It's not gonna taste like an egg. This is not, you're gonna have, I need to have a pancake side. Is just gonna make this amazing froth that is gonna be containing all the flavors of your cocktail, okay? So that being said, we're gonna do a dry shake. Dry shake is a shake without any ice. Make sure that you hold your tin pretty good, otherwise it's gonna pop and you're gonna put your cocktail all over the place. Easy when you open it. And now, you do the shake with the ice. And give it a good one. Try to air it on the shake. So once your coupe glasses are like a nicely chill, give it a little spin. Shake the excess of water. Get your strainer. And let's go making even portions and trying to spread that froth that I was talking about at the end on both cocktails. That is this nice part that you guys have to wait at the end. All the nice froth. Spread it equal in both cocktails. And for your garnish, you're just gonna go for lemon twist. So very simple. When you have your lemon peel, what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it and then you're gonna pull in order to release all the oils on top of your froth of your cocktail. And there you have it, you guys. Single malt and elderflower sour by Yardhead. Salud, everyone.